guys. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to play this song. So it's a very simple chord progression. So I'm using two voices. I'm using uh, Galaxy E piano on right one, and Suitcase EP, that's T on the E piano. All right, Suitcase EP. Those are the two voices I'm using to play this song. All right, so the chord progression is very simple. Okay, and I'll give you the melody as well, the melody of the song. All right, guys. Okay, so the chord progression is just one. So this first inversion, C major. All right, C major. All right, so I'm using the second inversion of C major here. So this C major, first inversion, second inversion. Right, so I'm going to be using second inversion of D minor as well. So I'm going to D minor. Right, there's the second inversion of D minor. Right, right, first, second. Right, that's just my own style of playing it. I know I'm not playing it the way they've played it there, but that's just my priority is that you know the chord progression of the song, and you can add so whatsoever reactions that you can add or beauty that you can add to the song. Right, I go to E minor. Right, E minor. Right, also take the second inversion. Right, then I go to F major as well. Alright, F major, I take the second inversion. Alright, then I go to E. Alright, that is A minor. I also take the second inversion with. Alright, that's the second inversion of A minor with my left. Alright, so it depends on you. So you can take whatsoever you want to take. I can still take first, second, it depends on you. Then I go to G. Alright, the G major. Alright, first. Alright, I'm taking the first inversion of G major here. Right, so Wahamalati, oh Wahamalati, oh Wahamalati. Alright, no, yeah, you could take the second inversion or take the first inversion of G major, or could still take the second inversion, because this is a second inversion since I've been taking second inversions of the other chords. So now that's the line. Okay, now I'll give you the melody. Alright, so I'm using this added 9. Do re do re do re do re mi mi do re mi mi do. Okay, then I remain on C. Do re mi mi do. Then you go to 2. Alright, fa 2. Then you go fa. Okay, now do re mi mi do fa do re mi mi do. When you go to 3, do the same thing. Do re mi 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 do re mi mi do fa mi mi. You can see fa mi mi. Right, fa mi mi do. Then you go to fa mi mi. Then you go to la mi mi do do. Okay, re mi re do re mi re do fa mi mi do fa la. Now mi mi do sa re mi re do. So I take it slowly, guys. Do re mi mi do, do re mi mi do, fa mi mi do, fa mi mi do, mi do, re mi re do. Alright guys, so that's the breakdown of the song. Do wait to subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. You can use other voices if you want.